Hey guys, my name is Kane Hensley. I am the physical education teacher at Hope Schools. I teach K through 9 PE and high school weights. We are in the Rural Vista School District. It is the school district of Hope and White City. My schedule is kind of split. One day I'll teach K through 8 PE, and then the next day I'll have ninth grade PE health, and then I'll have 3 classes of weights. I also coach high school girls basketball, and I do junior high football. My experience with leadership is through coaching. I have coached for 10 years. I have been a head basketball coach for about 6 years now. I want to be a school administrator mainly on the athletic side. I'd like to be an athletic director someday. I'm also married. I have one daughter, and we have a daughter coming in July. So we are excited about that. I look forward to meeting all of you guys, and good luck in this class.